Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So in the previous class, we have learned 10 Python string methods, right? So in this class, we will discuss another more 10 string methods in Python, and we will execute all these methods in the next class. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So we are having the first method is index. So it searches the string for a specific value and it returns the position of where it was found. So what the index function will do? It will check the word which is starting index. That index will be returned. For example, I have written a hello world in the text variable. So I have written another variable position and text dot index world. See how I got 7, right? See, the index always starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Space is also included as count. So after that, it's the word starting from index 7. So output should be 7. So it will return whatever the word which you give in the index. So the word starting index, like whatever the word starting with W, right? So that index will be displayed in the output. This is what index method is. String. This is what index method is. And we are having the second string method is isalnum. Isalnum. So it returns true if all characters in the strings are alphanumeric. So it returns true if all characters in the string are alphanumeric. For example, we are having Python 3, right? So if I write print text dot isalnum, then it will give true because we are having alphabets and numericals also. We are having alphabets and numericals also, which is what alphanumeric is. And the third one is, sorry, it is alnum. It is alnum. We will call it as is alnum method. So the third one is alpha. So alpha. Is alpha. So it returns true if all characters in the string are in the alphabet. So it returns true if all characters in the string are. So it returns true if all characters in the string are in the alphabet. If all characters in the string are alphabet. So what is alpha will return? It returns the true if all characters in the string are in the alphabet. If all characters in the string are in the alphabet. So we are having example as in the text variable we have written Python. We have written Python. And for example, we will check it is alpha. Like whether it in the text variable we are having alphabets or not. If we are having alphabets, then it will return true. We are having alphabets right here, then it will return true. And we are having is ASCII. Is ASCII. So it returns true if all characters in the strings are ASCII characters. If all the characters in the string are ASCII characters. For example, we are having ASCII underscore value 1, 2, 3. So which is ASCII values. So if we print text dot is ASCII, it will print true because all these things are ASCII. All these things are ASCII. And fifth one is decimal. It returns true if all characters in the string are decimals. See, we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will print. We will check whether it is decimal. So text dot is decimal. It will give true. And we are having is digit. Returns true if all characters in the strings are digit. Here we are having all the digits, right? So it will returns true. If it's not digit, it will return false. That's it. Is identifier. It returns true. It returns true if the string is a valid identifier in Python. So it returns true if the string is a valid identifier in Python. For example, we are having variable underscore name. So it is a valid identifier. It is a valid identifier. So that's why it is giving true. Otherwise, it will give a false. That's it. And we are having is lawyer, as you know, right? So if it is all in the lowercase, it will return the true. Text dot is lowercase, we will write. That's it. Or otherwise, it will give false. And we are having is numeric. If all it returns true, if all characters in the string are numeric. See, we are having all the numbers, right? So it returns true. That's it. And we are having 10th one is printable. It returns true if all characters in the string are printable. Printable. So for example, we are having printable string. So a text dot is printable method. It will check it is printable or not. Yes, it will printable and it will give true. So these are the other 10 Python string methods which we have to know and we have to practice on it. And all these examples I will execute in the next class. Don't worry. So I hope you understand all these methods. And if you have any doubts, please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. And then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the video. Or otherwise, you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.